What is the most important thing for an EPC contractor? To win a contract, to ensure funding for a construction project, to deliver within the deadlines? All of it actually. And you also need reliable partners, builders, designers, installers, etc., whom you must select for your project, agree with, and make them agree with each other. If you've done EPC projects before, you'll know what it takes. Kontinent-Tau offers professional support at all stages of your project. At the engineering phase, we will coordinate the automation design and estimate the project cost. At the installation phase, we will evaluate the proposed design from a practical point of view and make necessary changes together with the designer if required. After the commissioning, we will provide maintenance services for your automation systems. Design, installation, and maintenance are the three pillars of Kontinent-Tau's competitive advantage. We provide excellent quality within a limited time frame due to our extensive theoretical and practical expertise. Kontinent-Tau is a member of the industry's self-regulatory organization, which provides an indemnification fund to cover all customer risk.